All right, everybody, totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today we are in Quepos, Punta Arenas province of Costa Rica. We're going to be doing a walk and talking tour in the marina here, and afterwards going down to a cool park right at the end here to check out sun as it's setting. This is Marina Pez Vela. Now, before we begin, as always, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Let's talk about how to get here to Quepos from the San Jose airport.
The nearest international airport to Quepos is in San Jose. From there, you'll get your rental car, airport transfer, or take a bus out to the west coast. You go by Jaco and continue south down the coast before you reach the main strip in Quepos.
And that will bring you right to this road right here, guys, right in front of the marina. So we're going to be touring the marina really quick here, showing you some of the boats, some of the shops that are here. And then afterwards, we'll drive up the road to a really nice park that's up the road. Now, you can see around here, it's really jungly. You hear a lot of birds. I've actually stayed up in this mountain here. There was monkeys right outside of our accommodations there. It's pretty cool. So this marina is very nice, very nice. There's underground parking here. There's a hospital right there, and you can see some construction going on. I don't know if the construction is the hospital or if those are condominiums. If you guys know, let me know. Let me know what that's all about. And there is a fishing tournament going on here, right up there. So I'm gonna skip over that part because it's really loud music over there. There's like a DJ and stuff like that. And over here, there's a coffee shop that I'm checking out. They have gelato and some good coffee. Just had that. There's a beauty salon here and some clothing shops. Once again, there's that hospital over there. There's some Enterprise rent-a-car I can see. There is National and Alamo here. And a really nice sitting area. And look at how nice it is here. Very cool. Hospital right there. So those hospitals are all over Costa Rica, I've seen. And let's continue the tour maybe up over there and we'll see what it looks like. So here is the other end of the kind of marine area, guys. You can see here there's a restaurant. I think it's got multiple floors so you can get up and get a nice ocean view. There's another one right over there. There's another one right behind me, and it looks like there's some kind of event going on. I think it's like a fishing tournament. Really nice area right in the middle there. Very nice. There's a cigar shop. Oh, I'm going to go check that out, guys. Let's go see about tobacco. You know I'm addicted to nicotine if you've been watching the channel. And then we'll go and check the boats. Okay, so let's go see what kind of nicotine there is around here. So, guys, I just came in here and I got the brief. I got the brief. These are Costa Rican cigars. They're made in Costa Rica. The tobacco is from Nicaragua or Cuba. And these are, you know, around $7 for these cigars. And basically, this brand here is from Quepos. They've been here a really long time. The main shop, actually, I've been to is up the road, probably like a couple minutes that way, pointing that way. I've been there before, grabbing some cigars, but these are like the premium cigars here. And then these are the super premiums. These are outside of my my range here. These are $140 cigars, Cuban. Very, very nice. Cool, and I'm going to get some nicotine before we continue this journey. All right, now here we are down at the dock, guys. I got a couple cigars up the shop there. Got some info. So that actually, the building that we saw previously over there is actually condominiums, and they're all sold out. Very expensive. And here is the dock area. There's a nice big fishing boat. I literally just realized there is a dog in a spaceship right here. Some of the things that I see when I'm traveling around here are just, I don't know what's going on. That's a big, there's a big boat. There's a big boat right there, actually. There's some bigger boats, though. There's some bigger boats, most certainly. Like right there. That's a huge boat. That is a big boat. I'll say it once, I'll say it again, guys. If the owner of these boats needs a sugar baby, I'm available for hire. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so let's go back out to the road and head down to the park for sunset. All right, guys, so there we go, crossing the marina. heading up towards the park. The park's a short drive away up the road here, and it's a very, very nice spot. Off on the left here, I think there's a police station. It's all paved up the way. Now, if you're staying in Quepos, you can walk this. It would maybe take you 10 minutes. 10 minutes to walk here from Quepos. You can always stop at the marina, and of course, if you're like me and you're fiending for some tobacco or caffeine, they have both there. They have both there. Or food if you're a person that eats food. There's the police station. Here, let's get another shot of the marina. There you go. All the big boats. And the park where we're heading to is actually just right here. Right down this road here. So just find parking, and that's what we'll do. We'll find parking, and then we'll continue this walk. Okay, so we found parking. You can see it's kind of busy down here. Looks like there's a watchy guy watching out for the cars, man. Watching out. Guys, I'll show you what I got. I'll show you what I got. That's the cigar I got. Now, my friend Randall there said that they're called Señoritas. And I formally requested that they be changed in name because I don't know if I want to be seen having that in my mouth. There is a cool art thing of bottles. Looks like a swordfish. Looks like a swordfish. So guys, this park is kind of split up into two distinct areas. There's the park where we're going to finish. And then there's like the swimming area down here. I'll show you this. So if you're in Quepos, I mean, aside from Manuel Antonio, perhaps not many places to swim, with the exception of this one. I've been here once before, maybe twice. It's a super nice place. Last time I saw people going out scuba diving, right out here in the bay. Let's see what's going on. We got a lot of people swimming. So the water's like really clear. Water's really clear here. Looks like there's somebody snorkeling way out there. I see a bob. There's a catamaran type of situation. People swimming, calm water. The water on this side is super calm. Look at this. There's people out there going on some kind of tour. Some kind of boat tour. I dig it. So the water here, guys, is probably like the calmest water around, I think, just because it's sheltered. It's in the sheltered alcove. So we got people out here doing, it looks like, stand-up paddleboard. It's a big, oh, that's a big paddleboard tour. Yeah, it's a good place to go paddleboarding. Let's get another look from right here. Right here in this lookout. There you go. Very, very nice. Very nice. Now, the park is right here. Parque Nahomi. And this is maybe one of my favorite sunsets in Costa Rica. I'm not like a sunset guy. I'm not like a guy that goes, oh, I love sunsets. It's not really my jam. But in terms of like scenery and like, you know, the layout and all that kind of stuff, pretty top shelf. And I mean, with the palm trees, right? I actually got a picture with the drone before the drone went out of action of all these palm trees, like in the sun setting over this pier here. Look at that. Pura Vida right there. Of course, the sun is behind some clouds. That literally only makes sense. See people having picnics here, chilling, hanging out. A lot of boats out. Like a pirate ship. You can see a pirate ship, guys. I'm gonna go find a place to like zoom in on that pirate ship. When it comes to pirate ships, other than pirate ships, I'm an adult, but when it comes to pirate ships, I'm kind of a child. I'm a little bit of a child when it comes to pirate ships. What is that? What boat is that, guys? Have you been on that boat? Let me know. Let me know. So there you go. Look at the water on this side, though. Look at that. You do not want to be swimming in that water. That ain't it. Perfect. Perfect place to hang out. Now, Manuel Antonio is down over that way. I'm pretty sure around this peak right here. Pretty sure of that. Cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that walkie talking tour. If you did, leave me a comment. Your questions, feedback, requests. Let me know what you want to see next, if I can build it into the travel plans here in Costa Rica. As always, hit like on this video, hit subscribe if you haven't already, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload new videos during our travels here. Thanks for watching. Bye now.